Welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger's channel. The use of blur mode effects can be seen in many videos, but today I'm bringing you something a little different, and that is layering multiple blur modes to create a creative effect. If you're interested in this one, you definitely don't want to miss today's video. Launch VideoProc Vlogger and create a new project. First, we need to obtain 3 sets of text image with the same words but different colors. To do this, we find the text icon in the toolbar, click on it, and edit a complete word in the inspector. Choose a font and a style, and I recommend using bold text. Adjust the text size and position, making the text as large as possible. Remove the shadow in the text shadow area. Then, click on the camera icon in the upper right corner of the preview window to generate a screenshot and obtain a text image. Return to the main interface, find the button, and click on it to go to the background bar and change the color to white. Then, we return to the inspector and change the text color to black. Click on the camera icon again to generate text image. Now we complete the first set. Use the same method to modify the text content. Then we change the font size and color. Add a text border. And adjust text shadow. Click on the camera icon to complete the screenshot. Finally, change the text content and color once more to obtain all the text image. And import them into the software together. Now, we import a prepared video and music into the software. Drag the video to the video track and adjust the duration. Click on the button to add a few overlay tracks. Then, drag the first set of text image to different overlay tracks in a specific order. Go to the inspector and click on Hide to make them all fit to the screen. In the compositing area, add a softer light blur mode to the black background white text image. Use the split tool to cut these two images into many small clips, making it easier to apply different blend effects to each segment. Select the first image and add a hue blur mode. Then select the next image and add a softer light blur mode. Move on to the next group of clips. Add a different blur mode to the first image. Change the blur mode of the second image to color. And switch the order of these two blur modes for the next groups of clips. Add a divide blur mode to the first image and the soft light blur mode to the second image. Now you can check out the combined effect. Drag this type of image to an empty track and complete the basic editing. Find the motion icon in the toolbar. Click on it and go to the motion editor panel. At the first frame, click Add keyframe. Adjust the size and the position of the box to frame a few letters. Then drag the playhead to the last frame. click Add keyframe and adjust the position of the box to frame the last few letters. Add a speed down rate for it. Preview it. And click Apply to return to the main interface. In the compositing area, add color dodge blend mode to complete a sliding effect for one word. Drag the image to an empty track again, aligning the duration with the previous image. Enter the motion editor panel and add a sliding motion effect. After that, add a linear burn blend mode. And in the transform area, adjust the scale and the position to achieve a balanced screen effect. Use the same motion effect editing principles and the blend mode layering choices to create a next set of words. Don't forget to add a suitable background music, which can have a significant impact on the video's audio-visual presentation. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you want to see more creative tutorials, don't forget to follow us, and we will see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!